3 steps to add this IPC Dahua to XVR Dahua. First step, put power and put Ethernet cable in camera from the modem. And put Ethernet cable from modem to XVR. Second step, go to menu. After that, go to camera menu. After that, we have a new icon, camera list. In camera list, we can search to the APC. We have here a new APC, IP address 192.168.1.108. This is the IP address of my new IPC. So I click on the camera icon. After that, go to initialize, select use the camera login password and the email. Click on next. Here we can IP address. So here we put 8. This is the place of my modem Orido. This is 8, the gateway default, 8.1. Then put it, click on next. After succeed modify IP address, click on OK. After that, we wait. After that, click on search device. We have the new address IP 8108. Now you see here the IP address is changed 8108, and we can add it. So select the APC, click on add. It will be OK state. Now we can see the image. Now we can see the camera IPC. You can see here. This is the quality of my camera IPC. It's very beautiful quality. So see you. Don't forget, subscribe, like, and see you.